Hello, welcome to LaSalle University and congratulations on being accepted. My name is Rosemary Barbera and I'm the chair of the social work department. I'm also an alum of LaSalle. I got my undergraduate degree at LaSalle and my first master's degree at LaSalle. Really happy to be able to share a little bit about our social work program with you. We're very proud of our program and of our students and our alumni. Our program has been accredited by the Council on Social Work Education since 1983. The Council on Social Work Education accredits social work programs across the country. Only programs that are accredited by the Council on Social Work Education can offer a degree in social work. So other programs might be human services, might be other things, but they're not social work programs. That becomes important for about three reasons. The first is something called title protection. Only people with a social work degree can call themselves social workers. So you can only apply for social work jobs with a social work degree. The second is that licensing. Only people who have a degree from an accredited institution can get a license in social work. And finally, there's something called advanced standing when people go on to graduate school for the Master of Social Work degree, the MSW. Students that are coming out of an accredited BSW program, and the degree we offer is a Bachelor of Social Work, a BSW, can apply to advanced standing for graduate school. That means that they can do graduate school in 1 year rather than 2. Typically, that's full-time, and typically that means that instead of doing 60 more credits of work, you're doing 30 to 35 more credits of work. And that becomes pretty significant both in time and money. You have to have a good GPA and you have to have good letters of recommendation to get into advanced standing, but it's a really wonderful option for people to go on and continue in their studies to get that Master of Social Work degree. In our program, it's called something called a generalist practice. All undergraduate, all bachelor programs in social work are by definition generalist practice. What that means is that you get the skills and the knowledge to be able to work with a wide variety of populations in a number of settings. I always say that it's a blessing and a curse. It's a blessing because you have many options available to you. It's a curse because you have to choose. But you get to reinvent yourself every once in a while. You'll take classes in human development, in human diversity, in social policy, and you'll take practice classes to learn how to work with individuals, with families, with communities, with groups, with organizations. And there'll be some other classes you'll take as well, field classes, and you'll take some electives. You will do field placement. Our students do field placement. You'll do 600 hours of field placement over 3 semesters, starting the second semester junior year. So you'll do 200 hours for 3 semesters. Our students are in addictions, in child welfare, in adoption and foster care, in hospitals, in mental health facilities, in homeless shelters, they're working in community settings, they're working in hospice, they're working in social policy, they're working in many different places. And you will work with the director of field education to find a field placement that's right for you. And then you'll switch and you'll do a second field placement in another place. Our faculty are practitioners, both our full-time faculty and our part-time faculty. We're working in clinical social work, in child welfare, we're working with families, we're working with communities, in grief settings, in hospitals, in all different ways that we're in the field and we're working and we bring that into the classroom. You'll be a professional as soon as you graduate. That's not true of many majors. Many majors, you have to get that master's degree before getting professional status. With social work, you'll be a professional with the BSW degree. And you'll get a job in your field. 95% of our graduates are employed within 6 months of graduation in the field of social work, and or they're studying to get their master's degree, that MSW degree. The Bureau of Labor Statistics projects there's going to be rapid growth for social work, for the field of social work, and positions 16% growth through 2026, which is much higher than average for other jobs and professions. So if you want to work with people to help enhance human dignity and make a difference in people's lives, if you look forward to real life hands-on experience in your studies and through an internship, if you want the opportunity to complete graduate school for a Master of Social Work in 1 year rather than 2, if you feel passionately about human rights and the dignity of each person, if you want to make a difference in the world, and if, as Martin Luther King Jr. said, you want to make a career of humanity, you'll make a better person of yourself and a better world to live in, then social work at LaSalle is the career for you and the major for you. Please don't hesitate to reach out to me if you have any questions. You can connect with me via email, Barbera, that's Barbera, at lasalle.edu. I'd love to be in touch with you and talk to you a little bit more about our program, and I hope to see you in the fall in our classes. Thanks very much.